What's up guys, this is Toby from I Travel Forever. I'm continuing traveling because I love it, and now I'm in the place. As you can see, it's still happening here. Woo! Yes, it's still happening here. The restaurants are open, you can eat, the hotels are open, the beach is busy as you can see. So travel mode is on, join me today. Right, so it was one of those days in Germany, you know, waking up feeling all miserable about the cold weather. I was like, I want to swap the snow for some sand, the beach. I want some sun, I want to party, and I want to walk around like nothing can stop my freedom. So here I am in Playa del Carmen!
Aunque no quieras pronunciar mi humilde nombre, de cualquier modo yo te seguiré queriendo. Yo sé que nunca, tú jamás podrás amarme, que a tu cariño llegué demasiado tarde. No me desprecies, no es mi culpa, no seas mala, porque tú eres de quien sueño enamorarme. ¿Qué daño puedo hacer yo con quererte? Si no me quieres tú, yo lo comprendo.
So here's the thing, as a German it was only possible to travel to like 5 places, and those 5 places were Mexico, of course, Dubai, South Africa, Maldives and the Seychelles. I've been to some of the other places and I was like, Mexico was the first time for me, so I was like, let's just book it and come here. You know, the situation here with the precautions and stuff is very well taken care of, I've got to say. They checking the temperature and give you sanitizer. Sanitizer whenever you walk into a supermarket or store, and actually you do have to wear the mask when you are going into this kind of stores. Welcome. ¿Qué tal, parcero? ¿Bien o qué?
Parcero, tenemos la moto para caída, te
¡Ay, ay, ay!
Can you also feel the vibe here? It's amazing. So this was the end of the video. I hope you liked the impressions that I gave you from Playa del Carmen. If you did, hit the like button in the bottom of the video, and
don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
Exactly. I see you in the next one. Bye bye. En alemán. Oh,
Hermoso.
Me gusta. Eso, eso. La vida es muy muy bueno. Right guys, so this was the impressions that I wanted to give you here from